In this video, I'm going to go over the functions and operations of a Honeywell Pro 4000 thermostat. The model number is a TH4110D1007. It is a one heat, one cool thermostat. It is a very common and popular thermostat in many homes. I pulled this thermostat off the wall so it'd be easier to go over. I'm going to start with the readout on the screen. It's showing right now at 78 degrees in the space. The day is Tuesday and it's showing the time of 9:22 p.m. Down below here there's two options for the fan. It's either auto or on. Auto will just bring on the fan whenever you have a call for heat or cool. Other than that, it doesn't run. And on is on 24/7 all day every day until you tell otherwise. Down here you have a systems. If you do not have an air conditioning system, the cooling will not work. Some people have in their houses where they just have this hooked up to a gas furnace or an electric furnace of some sort, and so all you will have is the heat function. But in the middle, you're obviously in the off position. If you slide this over here, it will be in the heat position. And now it shows you it's set to 70 in the heat position. So anytime it drops below 70 degrees, your heat should be on. If you're in a situation right now where it's showing 70 degrees is what it's set at, and your temperature is dropped to about 65 degrees, it means that something's wrong with your system, and I would definitely call a company to come out and take a look at your system. Now the same goes if you bump it over to cooling. If it's set to 78 degrees, if it goes to above 78 degrees, the cooling should come on. And say your space is 80 or anything above that, I would definitely say that something's probably wrong with your system, and I'd call a service company to come out and take a look at your air conditioning system. Next, I'm going to start going over the buttons over to the right. Up and down, you can just change your temperature. So if I'm going to up this, you can see now it just bumped up to 73 from 70. That is just how you can adjust the temperature on your thermostat, is with the arrows. Next, I'm going to hit this set button. First, it's going to start with your time. You can set your clock. I'm going to hit set again, and now it's going to say day. And you can go up and down to scroll through to change the day. I'm going to hit it again, and now it's going to go to my schedule period. Right now it's showing it Monday through Friday at 6 a.m. to come on and set to 70 degrees heat. Now I'm going to hit set here, and it's going to set the time, and then I can adjust up or down the temperature, and I can hit set again. Now the leave, it's going to give you off the get-go 4 periods: a wake, a leave, a return, and a sleep. If you have a 9 to 5 that's set in stone, it might be worth using all 4 periods, but if you just want to do a morning and night setting, that's how I'm going to show you how to do this. So it's only be a wake and a sleep. So now I'm going to show you how to, on this mode, just wipe it so it doesn't even give you this option. Now I'm going to show you how to get rid of the leave. You're going to hold the up and the hold button, and you'll see eventually here, now it just wiped it all out. So now I'm going to hit set, and now the return, I'm going to do the same thing. And hit set. And now the night period, I can adjust the time if I'd like. Let's say it's to 9 p.m. I'm going to hit set. And now I'm on my temperature for 62 degrees heat. I'm going to hit set. Now it's showing me the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. So I can do all the same stuff. I'm just going to kind of scroll through this real quick. And then it's going to say end. And that's how you adjust your programming. So now it should keep your programming unless you adjust it otherwise. If you want to use the hold function, say you have family or friends over, you could adjust this setting. Right now it says temporary, it just lit up. But if I hit hold, and now it says hold up here, it's going to hold that 24/7 all day every day until I tell it otherwise. That's how you use the hold button. Some people don't even like messing with the programming, and if you don't like using the programming, you can just use that hold button to do everything. Next, if you want to get out of this, you can hit run, and now it's back into your programming. So that's the basic functions and operation of the Honeywell Pro 4000 thermostat. Next, I'm going to show you, if this was on the wall, how you can pull off and change the batteries on your thermostat. If this was on the wall, you just push up against the wall and it actually pops off of its plate. And now you can see you have batteries right here. There's 2 AA batteries. You can just pop them out, put your new ones in. You'll take this and put it right back. It'll line up and it just slides right back on. And that's how you change the batteries. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I can answer them or go over anything else that you might need.